Hey guys, I'm here. This is my YouTube channel, The Garden Givers. So guys, don't forget to subscribe my channel and like my video. I hope you all will be fine. So guys, today my topic is Halloween party ideas. Halloween parties can be a lot of fun and there are endless possibilities for creative and spooky themes. Here are some Halloween parties ideas to get you started. Classic costume party. Encourage guests to come in their best Halloween costumes. Host a costume contest with categories like scariest costume, funniest, and most creative costume. Set up a phone booth for guests to take pictures for their costumes. Haunted house party. Transform your home into a haunted house with spooky decoration, dim lighting, and airy music. Create different themes, room or areas with different spooky scenes. Have costumed hunters jump out and surprise guests as they explore. Horror movies marathon. Set up an outdoor and indoor movie screening area and show classic horror films. Provide popcorn, candy, and themed cocktails. Create cozy viewing area with blankets and cushions. Pumpkin carving contest. Provide pumpkin and carving tools for guests to create their own jack or lanterns. Offer prizes for the most creative, sincerest, and funniest pumpkins. Zombies. Have a zombie themed party where everyone dressed as survivors or zombies. Create a scavenger hunt with clues and challenges to find supplies and survive. Use fake blood and makeup to create zombies look. Witch brew and potation party. Serve a variety of unique and colorful cocktails and mocktails with spooky names. Set up a potion making station where guests can mix their own drink with unusual ingredients. Decor with potion bottles and with witty decor like mystery dinner party. Host a murder mystery game with a Halloween twist. Again, guest characters and have them work together to solve them my mystery. Serve a team dinner and cocktails. Die and Lost.